Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to do the cloud stitch and the extended single crochet stitch. This is the cloud stitch. These are the extended single crochet stitches. I designed the cloud stitch because I didn't want to use a really heavy, thick bobble. I wanted something really tiny for this boho pillow. I actually call this one the cloud stitch pillow. Appropriate name, I think. Anyway, we'll begin with using Baby Bee Stork Struck Naked yarn. It is worsted. And G-hook. So take your yarn and you're going to chain. You can chain whatever number you want. I will chain 11. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, with this stitch, in order for it to come out like the pillow, you do need to put a stitch on both sides of the little cloud stitch. So we're going to put single crochets on both sides. So we will start in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, and we're just going to do single crochet all the way down. You should have 10 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then you're going to chain 1 and turn. Now the bobble will be on the other side, so you won't be able to see it on this side. You'll be able to see it on the back side. But first, what I like to do is, like with my pillow, I started and I did a half double crochet. So I did a half double crochet at the beginning and a half double crochet at the end. So now we're going to go into the next stitch, and this is going to be our first cloud stitch. So you're going to go under both the loops of the previous stitch, and you're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull that through the first loop, and that's that. Then you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go underneath the same 2 stitches. And then you're going to bring up. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. And you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go through the first 2 loops. You're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops again. Now you will have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to take your hook, go back into the same. So you're constantly going back into the same, underneath the same 2 loops, into the same stitch space. Yarn over, pull up that loop. That loop is going to go through these 2 loops. And there's your first bobble, or excuse me, your first cloud stitch. And now we're going to go into the next one. We're going to do that again. So go underneath both loops of the previous stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You now have 2 loops. Yarn over, you're going to go through just 1, and you're going to yarn over, you're going to go into the same stitch space, yarn over, pull up another loop. 4 loops. Now you're going to yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now you have 2 left. Go back into the same stitch space, yarn over, pull that loop up, and then go through the 2. Let's do it again. See, there's the 2. Let's do it again. In underneath the loops, over, got 1. Yarn over, go through the 1. Now you got 2 loops. Yarn over, go through the same stitch space, yarn over, You have 4 loops now. Yarn over, go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the next 2. Now you have 2 left. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and go through those stitches. Now you have 3 little bobbles, 3 little clouds. Well, I always say that they're bobbles, but it's not the bobble stitch. So forgive me. They're just really cute though. Let's finish this off. Let's keep on going. So we're gonna go into that one, yarn over, go back. I'll just continue this so you can see what I'm doing. And then down. Okay. Do another one. First set, second set of 2. I'll get 2 left, go back. Let's see, how many? So we'll do 2 more. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They work up pretty fast once you get the hang of it. And the last one. Oops, did I forget? Yep, I forgot. Hold on. There we go. Oops. And then the last one, we're going to do a half double crochet into 2 loops, if I can grab them here. I gotta get it closer to my eyes. There we go. There you go. So there's your, so you should have 10 stitches. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one is your half double, and then you chain 1 and you turn. Now you're going to work on the back side. So you're just going to perform your single crochet just like you would if this was a regular stitch. So we'll just go into each one. Make sure you go under both loops. Oops. Videoing and trying to do this is a little harder, and I'm not a pro, so, but I wanted everybody to have this stitch because I'm really excited about it. Sorry if you can't really see. Okay, we'll go under that one. Go under the next one. The next. And then just make sure you find the 2 from the half double. And chain 1 and turn. I haven't turned yet, but this is what the back side looks like. And this is the front side. It looks really cool when you get several rows. It looks, you know, like that. And you just continue. So you would do, if you want to do another row of the cloud stitch, you would do the half double and do your cloud. Then keep on going, and it will end up butting right up. No, it's kind of hard to see here. Hold on one second. It'll end up butting right up to the other one. Okay, so what we're going to do though is I'm going to take this out so that I can show you how to do the extended single crochet. This one I really like. I love how it doesn't leave a lot of ribbed edging. It just looks neat. So what you're going to do is you're going to perform this by going underneath the first 2 loops, or the top 2 loops of your first stitch space. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you're going to yarn over and go through the first one, yarn over, go through both. That's just how easy it is. Let's do another one. So it's kind of like single crochet right there, but now it's kind of like you're going to chain right here. Then you're going to yarn over and you're going to go through both. Let's do it again. Pull up a loop, yarn over, go through the first one, yarn over, go through both. It's that easy. Do it again. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through the first one, yarn over, go through both. And you go all the way down. Whoops. Trying to make sure that I'm in the screen. I like to use this stitch with different combinations, and it's a lot of fun. You can do like a single crochet and then just a regular, well, a regular single crochet and an extended single crochet that looks really neat together. Like I said, this pillow is all extended single crochet as far as this area goes. Same with this area, this area, this area, and then both of the ends are also extended single crochet. And I did do before each and after each cloud stitch, I did a single crochet. So this is extended single crochet and then a single crochet, cloud, single crochet, cloud, single crochet, cloud, single crochet, extended crochet, single crochet, single crochet, cloud, single crochet, cloud, single crochet, cloud, and you're getting the picture. So, and then, and that's about it. I will leave the link to this pillow in the description so that if you're interested in purchasing the pattern for this pillow, you can. Otherwise, you can just kind of look at what I've done and create your own. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.